video, we're going to take a look at the syntax for PDF Report Writer. Any report you create with Report Writer will start with the tag PDF. The page tag starts a new page. Next, we'll add a header to our report. Between the opening and closing header tag goes the text or table that we want to display. If we wanted, we can also add subheaders to our report and use conditional formatting. We'll add a footer to our report as well. Similar to a header tag, the footer tag contains the text or table that we want to display at the bottom of each page. Next is the body. Within the body goes the text of our report. In this case, we're going to insert a table. The TH tag specifies the table header, or section to repeat at the top of each page if the table breaks across more than one page. Next are the TR or table row tags. This is the base data of our table. We'll insert 3 sample rows here. Now we'll simply save this file and call PDF Report Writer to build the PDF. From the command line, pdfrw is the executable. test1.frw is the input file we just created. You can see we have our header up on top, followed by our table header and the data for our table. At the bottom is the footer that we specified, which just shows the page number and number of pages in our report. Next, we'll take the input file we had and spice it up a bit. Rather than just plain text in the header, we'll insert a table along with some images using the img tag. Also, we'll add a couple of columns to our table. One for notes, where we can specify some longer text to demonstrate word wrapping within a table cell. We'll go ahead and save this file and call it test2.frw. The FRW extension is just short for FyTek Report Writer. Now you'll notice that our table is quite a bit wider because of the extra text we have in the notes field. Though perhaps we don't want the text to wrap. Well, similar to HTML, you have the no wrap option that you can apply to the table cell. So for instance, we'll type in no wrap on the line with long notes. Keep in mind that we're typing all this in manually. You'll more than likely want to create a file based on data in your database using some other programming language. Now when we open up the report, notice that the text has now been compressed to fit all in one line. In fact, all of the text in the table has been compressed in order to make it fit properly. We'll go ahead and remove the no wrap, and let's copy the table rows and we'll go ahead and save our file again. And back on the command line, run Report Writer to convert the FRW text file to a PDF. And you'll see that we now have a PDF with multiple pages in it, with the table header repeated at the top of each page, and the footer showing the page number and total number of pages. Now keep in mind, this is just one example of PDF Report Writer. Tables are just one aspect. You can insert text, graphics, charts, and so much more. So download the free demo. There's plenty of sample files included with it, and check back here for more videos on how to use FyTek's PDF Report Writer.